Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the concept to a real Google trend, find a trending keyword, and decide the visual message. Use a 1200 times 628 or 16:9 canvas so previews render crisply. Once decided, compose with high contrast and the rule of thirds so viewers spot your subject immediately. Use a simple background and one focal object. Make sure you shoot or create at the chosen size, because resizing later can blur text and reduce click-through rate. You next refine the image for visibility in Google results. Increase contrast and clarity, but avoid over-sharpening so it stays natural. Then add a short, bold headline overlay, 6 to 8 words, positioned in the safe area to avoid cropping. Once the layout is good, export as WebP or a high-quality JPEG at 70 to 85% compression to balance size and fidelity. Make sure the file name and alt text include the trending keyword to help Google associate the image with the topic. You finish by publishing the image with descriptive alt text and a keyword-rich file name so Google can index it accurately. Add structured data or proper meta tags on the page to signal the image's relevance. Ensure the page loads fast and mobile-friendly. If the photo does not appear in results, check robots. TXT for blocks, confirm the image is in your sitemap, and verify dimensions match recommended sizes. One troubleshooting tip: clear cached versions and request indexing in Google Search Console to speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.